Hello guys, hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Fortigate in your GNS3 and you can use it for your training purpose, for the learning purpose. So it would be very helpful for the beginners. So let's get started the video. First you have to open the browser and open GNS3.com. I will show you where you can download the appliance for this one. Open GNS3 and open marketplace, appliances. You can see here Fortigate. Click that one and scroll down. Here you can see Fortigate 7.0.9 version. I'm going to configure with this one. So just downloaded first one and second one, both we need. Okay, one is 77 MB, another one is 0 MB. So I already downloaded that files. Oh, I already have that file. See here, I already have that file. Once you download it, now you need to extract the file. So once you finish that extraction, it should be like this one. Fort iOS, okay, QCO2, okay. After that, open your GNS3 and as you can see my previous video, I already show you how to add VM, okay, your GNS3 to VM, okay. So I already done that one. If you guys doesn't know how to do that one, please watch my previous video. So after that, we can go to new templates, install appliance from the GNS3 server. So I'm going to install GNS3 server, this one, okay. Click next. Okay, firewall. Some cases it will not be appear here. So what you have to do is update from online registry, okay. If you click this one, it will automatically update and it will show up all the devices available. So click Fortigate, press install appliance from GNS3 VM, okay. Click next. QEMU binary, okay. Click next. Yep, this is the place where we need to select our version. So as I said before, I downloaded Fortigate version 7.0.9. so click that one, expand it, click and import it, okay. So downloads replacement file. So this is the one we extracted. So this is the file, just open, okay. So I already added this one, that's why it's getting green color. If I didn't add it, it will be in red color, okay. So I added already. And second one empty, that one also import, select that file as well where it is empty, okay. Both file you need to add. I already added that way, okay. After that, just click next. Would you like to Fortigate version 7.0.9? Yes. Username is admin, no password is set, okay. Please note these things, no password. Next, appliance has been installed and template named Fortigate has been successfully created, okay. Now it's done. See, it came up. And after that, you can create a new project. I'm giving here project name Fortilab. Okay, that's it. Open. So I'm going to add the Fortigate and the cloud is for outside internet access, okay. And you have to select GNS3 VM. Before that, I will show you one more thing, that you need to do some changes in your VMware workstation, that where you added GNS3 server, VM server. So open your workstation. So this is the one, GNS3 VM. Right click, go to settings. So as you can see here, already network adapter 1, network adapter 2, I need to add one more network adapter here for the internet access. Okay, so this is the best way you guys can do. So add this one, select network, finish. Okay, so select the third one, and you can grip it by bridge mode, so it will directly come to physical network. Okay, so after that plus okay, it's bridged automatic. Okay, fine, so it's done. Restoring virtual machine status. Okay, fine, you can do that. Wait for some time. Yeah, it's done. So go back to your GNS3, select so I will add it once again, add the cloud option, select GNS3 VM, press OK. So Fortigate and the cloud is added. After that you need make a connection from cloud to Fortigate. So as you can see, either 0, either 1, either 2. This is from the VM. Okay, in the VM configuration, before we configure, see, as you can see, 1 2 3. Our is third one. Okay, so here it is named like 1 2 3. Okay, so either 2 and connect with port 1 of Fortigate. So okay, after that start. Now double click it and open the Fortigate. Wait for some time. The device need to get on first. Okay, it's booting now. Let's take a tea break. Okay guys, I'm back, and yeah, its login pages appear. So by default login name is admin and password is by default there is no password, as I showed you before. So you can write the new password and press enter again, confirm password again. Okay, right, and press enter. Okay guys, now we can start the adding the IP address and we can access it through the web. Okay, so first you type okay, I'm going to assign the IP address right now. You can note down the commands if you want. Configure system interface. Okay, then going to edit port number 1. We added port number 1, right? Press enter. Just show you. I'll show you. As you can see, set mode is right now DHCP. If you want to continue DHCP, it's okay. So if you want to add by static, you can add by static as well. So I am preferring the static one. So let's write set mode IP. So this set mode static, and so it's now static. I will show you. So it's static now. So now we can add set IP address 10.39.1.51. Yeah, this is my IP range that I'm going to give, 255.255.255.0. Press enter and okay. So you can do one thing. You can try to ping this IP address and check it is working or not. Enter the IP. Yeah, it's pingable. It means it can access. So go to your browser, a new page 10.39.1.51. Press enter. See, it's came out. It's logging now. You can access by GUI through this way, or if you want to configure by PuTTY, you can go with that console type. So yeah, it's working. And I will show you one more thing. I will show you the IP that already this one PuTTY. Okay, check the IP address that is assigned by command. Let me check what it is. Config system interface. Okay, good. No, better not from here. Edit Port 1. Okay, good. Okay, port number 1. As you can see, port number 1, we assigned IP 51, so IP is assigned, as you can see from here. So that's it, guys. Hope you all understand. When the beginners who want to learn about Fortigate and who want to practice by himself, he can watch this video. It's very helpful. See you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.